Can you come here? Okay, sit. No, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Hi boys and girls, and welcome to our first STEM lesson of Term 2 2020. I'm so excited to be back in front of you, even though our classroom looks a little bit different for the beginning of this term. I know that we're going to get a lot of fun learning done. Across this term, we're going to be focusing on our design technology units. And to do that, we're going to be linking what we're learning about to our science units. And in your science unit, you're going to be learning a little bit about animal adaptations. So we're going to focus quite a lot on animal habitats. Now, I've got an example of a living animal right here in front of me. This is my handy assistant, Lou, and Lou loves a good treat. So we're going to use those to keep her engaged in our lesson today. So animals have a variety of adaptations that make them suited to the environment they live in. For instance, Lou has a warm coat. While she's got a jumper on, she doesn't necessarily need to wear that jumper here in our warm climate in Queensland. However, if I was to move her and let her live in Antarctica, she might need to wear that jumper every single day because her little body isn't suited to that kind of environment. The same way that we couldn't take a lion from the savannah and drop it in the Arctic either, or we couldn't really take a polar bear and leave it at the beach on the Gold Coast because it wouldn't survive there either. And that's what we're going to be thinking a lot about this term. What is it that makes animals suited to the environments in which they live? And what would happen, or what would we need to do to be able to successfully take an animal out of its environment and put it into another one? So the main ones we're going to think about for our first lesson today are the desert, okay, like our hot sandy desert climates, the Arctic, okay, snowing, cold, freezing sub-temperatures, and the ocean, all right, because we know that lots of different animals are also suited to living in the water. Lou here definitely wouldn't be good at living in the water. She doesn't even like the beach. So in order to survive in each of their environments, animals need certain things, okay? Certain things that are unique to them that make them able to survive there realistically. So what I want for our first lesson today is for you to have a think about those. So I listed 3 different types of environments earlier, and I want you to take a piece of paper and write those 3 environments down. What you're going to do then is pick one animal each for each environment and think about the needs of that animal, okay? Or think about what that animal has physically or what that animal can do that makes it suited to that environment. Think about the fur they have. Think about what different types of coats they have. I'm not going to give too much away. Think about what they eat and think about maybe where they specifically live and how they sleep. All right, what is it that is different about all these different animals that make them suited to their own environments? All right, and we're going to use this information across the term to help us design a few things and come up with some solutions to some problems using our scientific understanding and knowledge. Apparently I smell like dog treats. So that is your first task for the first week. All right, making sure you keep that piece of paper somewhere safe so that we can pull it back out and use it again across the further weeks. All right, please make sure you're engaging with these tasks every single week. It will be really important, and I look forward to hearing about everything you've done as soon as we're back in the classroom in a couple of weeks' time. All right, thanks for tuning in, boys and girls. Good luck. Bye.